Now, Rwanda, for example, they don't pay election officials, the temporary polling staff. We usually are around 500. Even going by the last general election, we had 500,000 temporary polling officials. And the budget for them, even if you look at them here, it's around 7 billion alone. So Rwanda, they rely on volunteers. So you can't compare. Now, transport, they use government vehicles to transport, as we hire. So you can't compare. Now, in terms of the ballot paper, within the equivalent of IEBC of Rwanda, they have a department where they print on A4 the ballot paper. So can you compare that with Kenya, where we have certain security features? And is that the direction you want us to go? Another one is electronic transmission of results. Them they don't transmit. Yeah, they don't have the Kim's kits you are talking about here. So can you really compare? So the problem with us in Kenya is actually management of trust.
Finance should be telling us what is the value of or the book value of the kits that are intended to be retired, if they have it.
All right. If you don't have it, please put it on record so that we can look at it. Director of Finance, is there anything else left?
Yes.
How much?
One is the issue of motor vehicle repairs, maintenance, transport, and the purchase of new vehicles. The three items, maintenance of motor vehicles, these are the existing vehicles for the counties, headquarters, and the commissioners. The purchase of motor vehicles are to replace those which have been grounded. And the transport on number 24, this is the election cost where we are not able to procure all these vehicles, so we hire them.
Just respond to the principal question. The principal question was, why allocate money for it when you know that it will not be done before 2027? You can answer it without looking at the figures.
Okay. I think the right question is the one on table 2, line number 14. When we collect coordinates for the polling stations for the purpose of result transmission, the one which is on table 2, line number 14. Yeah.
GPS.
GPS, yes.
So when you are doing the 5,900 polling stations.
Yes, especially the additional one, and plus those which change because of the available classes.
So what is the projected cost of replacing the King's kits, and how much is one?
The cost of replacing the King's kit, it is not just only the King's kit, there is the software, the upgrade,
all that.
And all that. The total cost of the King's kit on this document is line number 26. 7 billion.
7 billion.
Yes, this also includes support licenses, but the kit is about 500,000 the last time.
500,000?
No, sorry, $500, sorry.
Or $500?
Yes, sorry, thank you.
Which is about 150?
Yes.
Thousand Kenyan shillings.
No, about 65,000.
65.
The book value, we usually depreciate it over 3 years, all technology items, and the book value is nearly zero.
Nearly zero.
Yes.